So in today's video, I'm going to go over some of the best ways to increase the conversion rate on your website. Whether you're selling a service or an individual product, you have a WordPress website or Shopify, all these are going to help increase your conversions on your site. So the first way is to have better product images. Have high quality images on your site, don't have any text overlay on top of them. At least like with Shopify sites, I've seen some people have Chinese text and stuff like that from manufacturers. Remove the background from those and make the images really presentable. Have different images of the product or service and sell it through the images and stuff like that. Which goes into point number 2, selling the individual service or product. Make sure you guys invest in good copywriting. Copy really sells a product to an individual. If you have crappy copy or just like some very generic information that a user can get anywhere else, they're not going to convert. You have to sell the product or service to the user. Number 3 is testimonials or reviews. So having those testimonials or reviews for a product or service allows someone to see like, hey, other people have purchased this, they enjoyed the product or service, and they know it's actually good. So have some genuine reviews added in there, and it helps sell the product. Number 4 is increasing the page load speed. So on a lot of websites, if it's slow, like 4 or 5 seconds, a user might bounce out of the website. Going on there and fixing that and making it a fast website under 3 seconds, users more likely to stay on the site, which is going to lead into conversion. Another way we can help increase conversions is adding a video to the site. Whether it's a product or service, you add the video showing what the product does or what your service does, and then you can also link that to YouTube as well. And the benefits of having that is now you have a video on the site, which again helps sell, but now you cross promote YouTube. So some of those people might go over to your YouTube channel, check out the comments on there, which should have some good testimonials and reviews, and they're going to subscribe and like the video. So now you're using that video, you have it both helping your website and it helps out your YouTube channel. And also adding a video to your webpage helps out with the SEO of the page. So you might get higher rankings over time having that in there. Last way you can help increase the conversion on your site is actually have a decently designed website. A lot of websites out there still look pretty old. They might not be mobile responsive, or reiterating back to the old point, they're kind of slow. So redesigning your website, making sure it's staying up to date with current design standards, makes it really look nice. Anyways guys, that is it for this video. If you have any questions or concerns, make sure to leave it down in the comment section down below, and then check the description for any important links. And until next time.